Hello, good evening, and welcome everyone to my channel AgriOptimist. Today we will discuss some multiple choice questions on topic nutrient management, which is a very important part of every state as well as all India exam. And we will start from question number 1. The first question is, which of the following nutrient elements are regarded as energy exchangers? Option number A, hydrogen and oxygen. Option number B, carbon and nitrogen. Option number C, potassium and magnesium. And option number D, iron, manganese and molybdenum. And the right answer is option number A, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen are the nutrient elements which are regarded as energy exchangers. Question number 2. Which of the following elements regulate oxidation reduction reactions in plants? Option number A, hydrogen, oxygen and carbon. Option B, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur. Option number C, potassium, calcium, sodium and magnesium. And option number D, iron, manganese, molybdenum, copper, boron and zinc. And the right answer is option number D. Iron, manganese, molybdenum, copper, boron and zinc are the elements which regulate oxidation reduction reactions in the plants. Question number 3. Absorption of ions in plants occurring with aid of metabolic energy is termed as passive absorption, active absorption, metabolic absorption or mass flow absorption. And the right answer is active absorption. The absorption in which ions are absorbed by plants with the aid of metabolic energy is known as active. Question number 4. Plants meet their oxygen requirement by option number A, breakdown of water in the plant body. Option number B, absorbing oxygen from air. Option number C, absorbing oxygen from soil. And option number D, all of these. And the right answer is option number D, all of these. Plants meet their oxygen requirement by breakdown of water in their plant body from air and from soil as well. Question number 5. Oxygen is required by plants for option number A, respiration. Option number B, transpiration. Option number C, photosynthesis. And option number D, chlorophyll formation. And the right answer is respiration. Oxygen is required by the plants for the process of respiration. Question number 6. In acid soil, rock phosphate should be applied. Option number A, at the time of sowing. Option number B, 5 days before sowing. Option number C, 30 days after sowing. And option D, 30 days before sowing. And the right answer is 30 days before sowing. In acid soil, rock phosphate should be applied 30 days before sowing. Question number 7. Carbon requirement of plant is met by absorbing carbon from soil minerals, carbon from soil organic matter, carbon monoxide from atmosphere and carbon dioxide from atmosphere. And the right answer is carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Carbon requirement of plant is met by absorbing carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Question number 8. Organic carbon content in the soil is measure of available potassium, available phosphorus, available nitrogen or available magnesium. And the right answer is available nitrogen. Organic carbon content in the soil is measure of available nitrogen. Question number 9. available nitrogen less than 280 kg per hectare is considered as? Option number A, low, option number B, medium, option number C, high, or option number D, trace. And the right answer is option number A, low. If the available nitrogen in soil is less than 280 kg per hectare, it will consider low in. Question number 10. Hydrogen requirement of plant is met by? Option number A, absorption of hydrogen from air. Option number B, absorption of hydrogen from water. Option C, absorption of hydrogen from soil. Or option number D, breakdown of water within plant. And the right answer is option number D, breakdown of water within plant. Hydrogen requirement of plants is met by breakdown of water within the. Question number 12. Khaira disease of rice is diagnosed by? Khaira disease is caused by which element? It is caused by zinc deficiency. By zinc deficiency. And the symptoms are either of them: necrotic lesions, dark reddish brown pigmentation, yellowish spots on leaves, or black pinhead points on leaves. The right answer is dark reddish brown pigmentation. Khaira disease, in Khaira disease, dark reddish brown pigmentation could be seen on plant leaves in rice. Question number 13. Upward translocation of fluid in xylem takes place due to? Upward translocation is done by xylem tissues. And what is the cause? Pull of transpiration stream, pumping action of guard cells, suction by sun rays, or all of these. The right answer is pull of transpiration system. Transpiration pull is a major reason or the main reason to pull the fluids through xylem to the tip of the plant. Question number 14. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, which are used by plants in relatively large quantities, are referred to as macronutrients, micronutrients, trace nutrients, or bulk nutrients. And the right answer is macronutrients. All these are macronutrients. Macronutrients are also divided in two parts: primary or secondary nutrients. Primary nutrients are N, P and K, and secondary nutrients are calcium, magnesium and sulfur. These are known as secondary nutrients. Single superphosphate is preferred for phosphorus application in groundnut because it provides option number A, sulfur, option number B, calcium, option number C, both A and B, and option number D, none of these. And the right answer is both A and B, option number C. Single superphosphate is preferred for phosphorus application in groundnut because it also provides sulfur as well as calcium. Question number 16. Nutrients absorbed by plants are carried upward through option number A, xylem, option number B, phloem, option number C, both of these, and option number D, none of these. And the right answer is xylem. Nutrients which are absorbed by roots are carried upward through xylem tissues in the plants. Question number 17. Downward movement of food synthesized in leaves takes place through? And the right answer is phloem, which is shown on screen. Food is synthesized in leaves, and all of the plant parts need food for their growth and development, and leaves transfer the food to every part by flowing tissue. Question number 18. Which of the following is wrong? Option number A, iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, chlorine, cobalt are micronutrients. Nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium are primary nutrients. Calcium, magnesium and sulfur are secondary nutrients. And nitrogen is converted into nitrate by earthworm. The right answer is option number D. Nitrogen is converted into nitrate by earthworm. This statement is wrong. We all know that NPK are primary nutrients, calcium, magnesium, sulfur are secondary nutrients, and iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, and chlorine and cobalt. These are known as micronutrients. Question number 19. Farmyard manure is option number A, balanced food for plants. Option number B, recommended for salinity reclamation. Option number C, tends to make soil acidic. And option number D, tend to make soil alkaline. And the right answer is balanced food for plants. Farmyard manure is balanced food for plants. Question number 20. Phosphorus is essential for, and the options are option number A, cell division, option number B, development of meristematic tissues, option number C, both of these, and option number D is none of these. And the right answer is option number A and B. Phosphorus is essential for cell division and development of meristematic tissues as well. And that was all. Thank you my students for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. And if you want to watch more videos, then please visit my channel AgriOptimist. Thanks.